Hello everybody, hello student. I hope you are having an amazing day. This is Mr. Jubert and today I will be talking about the differences of animals. So relax and enjoy this video. Before we are going to learn about the differences of animals, let us first define what are animals. Animals are living things that appear in every habitat all over the world. So animals are living things, something that are alive, okay, something that has life. Each animals are different from one another in terms of their size, figures, habitats, foods, reproduction, and body development. Okay, so let us talk about the differences of animals in terms of their size. So if we say size, we are talking about how big something is. So the different animals in our planet are small and big. Okay, so we have here a picture representing animals from the smallest to the biggest. So there are small animals, there are also big animals. Okay, this is another example. There are small dogs and there are also big dogs. So these are examples of the differences of animals in terms of their size. Okay, how about the differences of animals in terms of the figures? If we say figures, we are talking about a number. So a number in animal is the number of animals' body parts. Okay, so there are animals that having more body parts than the other animals. So just like for example, there are animals with 4 legs. Okay, there are animals with 4 legs. So example of these animals that have 4 legs, we have here the elephant, the lions. Okay, these are all mammals. They have 4 animals. Okay, that 4 legs is a figure. Okay, a number which is a part of this animal's body. There are animals with 2 legs. Okay, just like for example these birds, they have 2 legs. And then there are also animals with 4 pairs of legs, just like for example this scorpion. Okay, scorpion, this is an arachnid. Okay, they have 4 pairs of legs. Okay, having 4 pairs of legs for arachnids made them different from insect. Okay, because insect has only 6 legs or 3 pairs of legs. Okay, we have also animals with 15 pairs or 30 legs. Okay, we have here a centipede. Okay, they have 15 pairs or 30 legs. Okay, we have here another example of an animal with 4 pairs of legs or 8 legs. Okay, there are also animals without legs. Okay, just like this snake, they do not have some legs. Another reason why animals are different from each other is because of their habitat. Okay, different animals live in different habitats. So what is this habitat? Habitat is a place where animals live. This is where they get everything that they needed in order to live, in order to survive. So there are animals that live in the water. There are animals that live in a forest habitat. There are animals that live in a desert habitat, and there are animals that live underground habitat. Okay, so different animals live in different habitat. That is why these animals are different from each other. Okay, another one. Animals are different because of the food that they eat. Animals have different foods. Okay, different animals eat varieties of food. Just like, for example, there are animals that eat plant only. There are animals, or some animals eat meat only, just like this lion in the picture. There are also animals that eat both meat and plant, just like this bear in the picture. Bear eat smaller animals. They also eat grasses, berries, which are examples of plant. Animals are also different because of their way of reproduction. Okay, what is reproduction? Reproduction is the process when animals make another animals of their own kind. Okay, they are going to reproduce their own kind. So there are animals that reproduce through laying eggs. So animals laying eggs will incubate their eggs until it will hatch, just like this crocodile in the picture. We have here the birds lay eggs. Okay. How about pigs? Okay, pigs do not lay eggs, but they give birth to a live young. So that is the difference between animals. There are animals that are born in egg, and there are animals that reproduce through giving birth to a live young. Okay, another example of an animal that give birth to a live young, we have here a horse. Okay, some animals give birth to a young one, like this pig. And the last reason why animals are different from each other is because of their figure development. Okay, there are animals that undergo change in their body structure. Okay, throughout their life cycle. So just like, for examples of animals that undergo figure development, we have here a butterfly. So a butterfly undergo changes in their body structure throughout their life cycle. So if you are going to look at this baby butterfly, we call it a caterpillar. The body structure is different from an adult butterfly. Okay, they undergo change or figure development. Another example we have here, a figure development of a frog. Okay, if you look at a baby frog called a tadpole, it is different from an adult butterfly. Okay, so these are examples of animals that undergo figure development. Okay, other animals like mammals, they do not undergo figure development. Why? Because as they give birth to a live young, okay, the body structure of their babies are already complete. They only undergo development, physical development. Okay, so these are the different reason why animals are different from each other. And I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching, and always take care. Goodbye, everybody.